mind watching the searchlights. That's 2154.
Flag coming down for close.
Heading 100.
2154, and go out to the slot as best we can.
Okay. Speed's the answer now.
The idea is to steer about 020.
Put 020 on, no? 020, okay.
Flight directly beneath us.
Right.
And searchlights underneath us too.
Come on, Tifa Tommy, get trained.
Watch your height.
I'm watching everything.
Okay.
How many searchlights would you call them?
Too many, I reckon.
Couple of thousand. Yeah, they're searching for us. You bastards. Oh, hell. Certainly illuminates things, doesn't it? Sure does. Do the pint. Keep your eyes peeled.
Yeah.
They're firing at us now.
Are they?
Yeah. Okay. Flag closed.
Well, it's coming close. I can feel it.
Yes, I can see it. Round to port of it is heading, Skipper. Okay. If we press on a bit this way, we might get out. Yeah.
My God.
You light your flag on any of those?
Oh.
That was a bit close.
I think we've been hit personally.
Yeah, lose a bit of height.
Yeah.
That was close.
Yes.
Searchlight looking for us down.
Okay, I'm pressing on more or less on course.
Righty-ho. Gone out now. We better press on north until we're clear of this issue.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Hello, Skipper.
Hello?
We've been holding the front here.
Okay.
The oil's leaking out of the front turret, so there's nothing to worry about.
Okay. Okay, boy. Donkey, could you glance over the temperatures on the engines?
Could I what?
Glance over the temperatures. Look, Donkey, I've been weaving on your course. I shall be heading a little to the east.
Okay, I'll give you a course to steer if you reckon you'll go through it.
Yeah, it's...
Okay, right.
Only there's a few searchlights ahead, about 100.
Yeah. By God, I've never seen anything like this before.
Neither have I. 4,000 pounds have just gone up. And it's good show.
That's not bad at all.
Yeah, it's not a bad prank.
Right, we're on now.
Okay.
Well, there's a target straight ahead, Skip.
Okay, now we're over the lake now.
Okay,
Just
now.
running up.
Okay.
What was the heading again?
146.
Okay, on 146.
Okay.
And the airspeed?
170.
Yes, got
Height
it.
40
Hang on.
sir.
Okay.
10 seconds. 2 minutes, 10 seconds, Palmer. Okay, 2 minutes, 10 seconds. 20 seconds. You can weave a bit, Skip.
Okay, Valhalla.
30 seconds. There the flares and just to the left.
Okay.
Okay, you can keep weaving for a while. 40 seconds.
Check the position of the flares by your time round.
Yes. I can see them ground detail in the flash of the flash. 30 seconds. One minute. Keep on weaving, Skipper. 10 seconds. 1 minute to go now. 5.
Right, now you want some last minute correction.
Yeah.
I'll fly steady
Get
now.
out steady, nice, straight and level.
Bomb doors open.
Bomb doors open.
Give a little bit of extra time, if anything.
15. Left. 20. Steady. 25. Steady. Bombs away. 30. There goes the cookie.
Lucky.
Oh, we got lucky going over there. And there go the incendiaries. There goes my bottle.
Take jettison action.
Jettison action now.
Okay, I think they're firing at us.
Yeah.
Bomb doors closed.
Bomb doors closed.
Right there. New course now, Robert.
New course. Look at those fires, boy. Oh, what 185.
Okay, turning on, 185.
There's a lank up on your starboard beam.
I see him, yes.
He's turning down, is he?
Yes, I can see him. Starboard bow now.
Yes, he's right ahead.
Okay.
Dropped over.
Give me that course again.